Jamba group is one of their own offshoot of Ahmadiyya. It's called Jamba. Abdul Ghaffar Jamba is the name of the founder of this cult. Now he says Mirza was a prophet, he was promised Messiah, he was the Mahdi and reviver. Now our question is, Mirza was saying that believe in me, you will be saved. Now Abdul Ghaffar Jamba and his group, they believe in all of the rest of the Islam, and they believe in Mirza as a prophet, as a savior and everything. You're still saying they are disbelievers, they will burn in hell. Then the question is, then what is that condition which one has to fulfill in order to be Muslim?
It's pretty hard criteria by the sounds of things.
Yep. And this is, what I'm saying is that they never tell their complete narrative.
You basically, I have the answer. The answer is you must take a pledge of allegiance with Mirza Masroor, the current caliph, to be a Muslim in their eyes.
And if you haven't taken that pledge,
no,
that
you're
oath,
not.
Exactly.
you're out.
If you say that I do not accept him as the caliph, you're outside.
Yeah.
You're out.
Yeah.
You're not Muslim.
Now it means, if obviously I knew this answer, but the thing is, the moment they will spell it out, they are in trouble. You know why? Because they have added that believe in Mirza Masroor or the caliph a condition to be a believer. Where's the evidence? Even Mirza did not say this. Even Mirza himself did not say this. That in the future, if you don't believe in my caliphs, you'll be a disbeliever. So if you have this criteria, where's the evidence?
Well, it's made up as they go along, isn't it?
Yes.